Huge payloads, harsh conditions, invincible machines. Explore the dramatic world of forestry with the tech. Cutting down a giant tree is a challenge that requires absolute skill and precise coordination. Each cut must be meticulously calculated. Even the smallest mistake can cause unpredictable danger. With the weight of tens of tons, the worker faces enormous pressure to control every moment. Not stopping there, the CBI 5400 crusher combined with the Caterpillar 320E excavator, equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, is the ideal tool for efficient wood processing. With outstanding power, the machine helps increase productivity and reduce operating time in forestry exploitation work. If you love the challenging and exciting tree cutting job that I share, please support the channel by liking and subscribing so you don't miss the latest videos. Check out the RGSVZ 750D, a powerful crusher equipped with a powerful engine of up to 320 horsepower. With its outstanding power, it easily handles a variety of heavy and hard materials, from wood, industrial waste, to scrap metal, ensuring high efficiency and durability. The AI RT800 Raptor is a powerful forestry shredder equipped with an 800 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 20 tons. The machine uses an M900-2300 cutting head rotating at 1,000 revolutions per minute, combined with an advanced hydraulic system allowing for the efficient processing of thick vegetation and large materials on many terrains. What followed was a spectacular sight, the 53 cubic meter Mercedes Actros, 500 horsepower plowing through the forest, loaded with huge logs. The powerful engine roared, the wheels crushed the mud, the long body cast a shadow among the trees, a mechanical display that was both powerful and refined. Soon after, the Kamaz 6x6, equipped with a powerful YMZ 238 turbo engine, was a great machine. Its superior power allowed it to perform excellently on any terrain, easily transport heavy loads, and cope with harsh conditions. Can you get through this tight curve in one go without re-steering? Hardly any truck can do it, because the corner is so tight. But with professional driving skills, any challenge can be conquered. Not every truck dares to conquer harsh roads, but the Scania R380 has done it. With a solid suspension system, the vehicle operates smoothly even on rough terrain. The powerful engine roars, making it a powerful and invincible steam locomotive on wheels.